the F. I mean the B or the D. Yeah. I gotta do it, because if I don't, if I don't do me, nobody else is going to do me. Actually, nobody else can do me. So if I don't rest, take care of me, I won't be able to take care of myself. You know? Nobody ain't gonna too much take care of me. There's so many people got so much animosity, so much issues with me. They got so much issues and stuff with me. They could have made this a chair. You know, people got so much issues with me, they ain't thinking about taking care of me. So, yeah, that's what I'm getting into. Okay. Take my tail home. I'm just gonna stay in the bed because it's not really a necessity for me to get up. He's there and take care of him. You know, I'm just coming to moral support and facial support. You know, he threw a pillow at me. Time to go. He can't get he wanted a coffee, but he can't get the coffee. I fed him a thing of soup. I had a little bit of it, but he wanted it, he liked it. I bought a scone. I actually bought it for me and the coffee, but, you know, I gave him a piece, he liked it, so I let him have it. You know, I had little pieces of crumbs to it, but I let him have it. And I just sat down and just sat there waiting because they were supposed to give him an Emma because he didn't move his bowels since he got there. How they waited this long and didn't know he didn't move his bowels? Anyway, they planned on giving him an Emma. So I was trying to wait till they give him the Emma and then let him drink the coffee. But they was taking forever to come, and he kept telling him, come on. I said, you gotta wait for that. And he'd get mad. You know, he'd give me that face. Like, I don't want to hear that. I want what I want. So I'm leaving now. Next thing you know, I felt something hit me, and it was a pillow. And he looking at me. He knew exactly what he did. So I said, why you threw that at me? That's not nice. So I picked up, put on the bed. Y'all